Hello, Namaste, and Hola, Privet. I am so excited for today's project because we are going to make a family tree drawing, but with a twist. We will be using thermocol beads to create a 3D effect. This project is super easy, fun, and a great way to personalize your family tree artwork. Here's what you will need for this project: a blank sheet of paper or canvas, then a large piece of thermocol, and a paper knife to scrape the thermocol or break them into small pieces. First, I will show you two methods for obtaining thermocol beads. The first way is to use a paper knife to gently scrape the thermocol, following the natural shape of the small sections. It may take a bit longer, but you will end up with well-formed thermocol beads. The second method is to break the thermocol into pieces with your fingers. However, the pieces may not come out as neatly and they tend to stick to your hands. If you go with this option, you can use a larger thermocol piece to help brush off the smaller bits. It's entirely up to you which method you choose. Now let's start by sketching the basic structure of the family tree. I am using a pencil to draw a large trunk in the middle, with branches spreading out at the top. Then apply glue along the trunk and branches of the tree. Once you have enough glue, start placing the thermocol beads on top. Press the thermocol beads gently onto the paper to give the tree a textured 3D look. This is what makes our family tree so unique. If you notice any gaps in the tree, feel free to apply more glue and attach additional thermocol beads. Once you have placed the thermocol beads on the tree, it's time to add some color. I am using ultramarine blue, viridian, and emerald green paint for the leaves, but you can choose any colors you like. Just carefully paint over the thermocol beads to make the tree really stand out. Once the paint is dry, use a fine black marker or pen to write the names of the family members hanging from each branch. This is what makes it a true family tree. So that's everything for this drawing. Let me know how much you liked it in the comment section. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Now sit back and enjoy.